Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to recharge your DSJEX account step by step. First, log in to your DSJEX account. Once you are on the home screen, tap Deposit. Here, you can recharge using USDT, USDC, ETH, or BTC. If you are recharging with USDT, make sure to choose the correct network, TRC20 or EIC20. If you are using ETH, BTC, or USDC, tap Select Currency to get the right wallet address. For example, if you want to recharge with ETH, tap ETH and your wallet address will appear here. In my case, I want to recharge using USDT TRC20. So I will copy the USDT TRC20 wallet address. Next, I will go to where my funds are. It's in my MERC wallet. Now, go to wallet, then withdraw, then choose the right token. Here I choose USDT and then just choose on-chain withdrawal. Paste the DSJEX wallet address here and select the correct network. Enter the amount you want to send. Don't forget to add the transaction fee. Add it varies depending on your wallet and network. For example, my fee is $1, so I will add $1 extra to the amount I want to send to DSJEX. Once done, tap Confirm. Next, complete the email verification and Google authentication. Make sure to get email verification code first, then the Google Authenticator code. After that, tap Confirm again. And that's it. Now, wait a few minutes depending on how busy the blockchain is. Let's go back to DSJEX and check. Here is it. The money has arrived. Your balance will appear under exchange. That's all for today. See you in the next video.